In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set time zone in Smartsheet, Regional Settings 2026. Getting your time zone right ensures that dates, reminders, and automations line up with your actual workday, which is crucial when you're collaborating across regions. We'll go step by step, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account. Enter your credentials, complete any verification you use, and continue to your workspace. This part is quick. Just sign in as you normally do. After you're in, you'll land on your home page. From here, look at the left side of the screen for the main sidebar. Find your profile icon there, often shown as your initials or a small avatar, and click it to open your account menu. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Smartsheet updates its interface from time to time, but the account menu will still be accessible from the left sidebar. In the menu, choose Personal Settings. This opens your account preferences. If you see multiple sections, go to the Settings area. That's where Smartsheet groups regional options and other account-level preferences you control. Now, locate the time zone setting. You'll see it as a drop-down list. Click the drop-down and browse the available locations. Then pick the time zone that matches where you work. If your organization uses a standardized time zone for reporting, for example, a headquarters location, select that to keep dashboards, reports, and automated alerts consistent across the team. When choosing, look for the city or region that best matches your local rules. Smartsheet automatically handles daylight saving time for supported regions, so you won't need to calculate offsets manually. After making your selection, click Save to apply the change. You should see a brief confirmation, and the update takes effect immediately. From now on, timestamps in activity logs, comments, sheet cells, reminders, and workflow automations will reflect the time zone you selected. This helps prevent missed notifications and avoids confusion when teammates review the same sheet from different locations. If something seems off, for instance, reminders arrive earlier or later than expected, revisit Personal Settings to confirm your choice. Also note that some enterprise admins may enforce certain defaults. If your option is locked or unavailable, check with your admin. As a best practice, let teammates know which time zone you're using when assigning cross-regional deadlines. And that's it. You've set your Smartsheet time zone through Personal Settings, keeping your regional settings aligned with how and where you work.